That's right.
He's been timing. We got to give him a chance to walk it.
You understand the course of fire?
No. That's why I try to take the timer.
Take your time. Give me a nod when you're ready.
We'll just give him a shot after this.
Stand
Sure.
by.
I can't hear it.
All right, I'll tap you.
Are you deaf?
All right,
A
shooter
little bit.
ready. Stand by.
Too loud. I'm gonna ban.
Gotta have hit that.
You missed some good beer at my house last weekend.
Really? Didn't get him to go.
I know. Yeah, I had a pretty good variety of beer. And
Yeah, what you gave
All right, the load.
oh, you did? I thought of you. I thought that was something like you would like for a summer beer.
I think you shot at them all.
Adam.
Got it.
Did I hit any of them?
All right, clear. Muzzle.
Why don't you walk it first?